Welcome back to the Oraanj Interior Design channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for anyone who's ever felt cramped in a small bedroom. We're talking about small bedroom makeovers. So if you've got big dreams for your tiny space, stick around because we're about to transform a cramped room into a stylish, spacious retreat. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you stay updated on all our latest videos. We have loads of tips and tricks coming your way that you won't want to miss. Small spaces, big dreams. It can sometimes feel overwhelming when you're working with limited square footage. But with the right strategies, you can create a space that feels open and inviting without sacrificing style. Today, we'll explore clever space-saving solutions, smart furniture choices, and expert tips on color schemes and home decoration, all tailored for those smaller bedrooms. Let's get into it. The first step in our makeover journey is to assess the space. Take a good look around your room and identify what you really need and what can go. Decluttering is crucial. You want to create an environment that feels spacious and calming. Start by sorting through your belongings. Keep what you love and use regularly, and consider donating or selling anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Once you've decluttered, let's move on to color schemes. The right colors can dramatically change the perception of space. Light, neutral shades like soft whites, pastels, or light grays can make a room feel larger and more airy. If you want to add a touch of color, consider an accent wall. A soft sage green or a gentle blush can add warmth without overwhelming the space. When selecting your color palette, don't forget to consider the furniture and decor. Choosing pieces in similar tones can help create a cohesive look that feels more spacious. Think about a light wood bed frame paired with soft, neutral bedding. This combination can help your room feel more expansive and less cluttered. Next up is furniture selection, which is essential in a small bedroom. Let's talk about the importance of smart furniture choices. When dealing with small spaces, multifunctional furniture is your best friend. Look for items that serve more than one purpose, like a bed with built-in storage drawers or a nightstand that doubles as a small desk. There are so many stylish options available now that combine function and aesthetics seamlessly. For example, consider a lofted bed. By elevating your mattress, you create space underneath for a desk, a reading nook, or even extra storage. This not only opens up the floor space, but also gives you a cozy sleeping area above. If a lofted bed isn't your style, opt for a low-profile bed frame that sits close to the ground to create a more open feel. Another clever idea is to use wall-mounted shelves. They draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of higher ceilings while providing much-needed storage. You can style them with books, plants, or decorative boxes to keep your belongings organized and accessible. If you're not sure where to start with lighting, consider a combination of overhead fixtures and bedside lamps. Dimmable lights can help set the mood, allowing you to create a cozy environment in the evenings. Wall sconces can also save space on your bedside table while adding a touch of elegance. Now let's not forget about lighting. The right lighting can make or break a small space. Aim for a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. If you have the luxury of natural light, make the most of it. Use sheer curtains to let light in, while still maintaining privacy. For areas with limited light, consider using mirrors strategically. Placing a mirror opposite a window can reflect light and make the room feel brighter and more spacious. Plus, a well-placed mirror can act as a stylish decor piece. Let's also talk about the use of natural elements. Incorporating plants into your bedroom can create a fresh atmosphere and bring life into the space. Even if you have a small room, there are plenty of compact plants that can thrive in minimal light. Consider using hanging planters or wall-mounted pots to maximize space. Not only do plants add a pop of color, but they also improve air quality, making your space feel even more welcoming. When it comes to textiles, the fabrics and textures you choose can greatly affect the feel of your space. Lighter fabrics, think linen or cotton, can help keep the room feeling airy and fresh. Layering textures can add depth, so don't be afraid to mix materials like wood, metal, and soft textiles. A large area rug can also define your sleeping area and make the space feel more cohesive. Opt for a light-colored rug to further enhance the feeling of space, and avoid patterns that may make the room feel cluttered. Another fantastic tip for small bedrooms is to embrace minimalism. This doesn't mean your room has to be bare. Rather, it's about being intentional with your decor. Choose a few statement pieces that you truly love and let them shine. For instance, if you have a beautiful piece of artwork, hang it prominently. Surround it with simpler decor to let it stand out without competing for attention. This approach not only creates visual interest, but also prevents the room from feeling overcrowded. Now, let's take a moment to think about storage solutions. In a small bedroom, smart storage is essential. Look for opportunities to maximize every inch of your space. Consider underbed storage bins for seasonal clothing or shoes that aren't in use. You can also use decorative boxes or baskets on shelves to keep smaller items tidy and out of sight. Another idea is to utilize the space above your closet. If your wardrobe doesn't reach the ceiling, consider placing boxes or baskets up there for items you don't need daily. This clever trick helps to keep your floor space clear and your room feeling open. Speaking of storage, don't underestimate the power of organization. Implementing a good organizational system can make a world of difference. Use drawer dividers to keep smaller items sorted, and label storage bins so you can easily find what you're looking for. When everything has its place, it'll be easier to maintain a tidy, clutter-free environment. Now, let's discuss personal touches. While we want to keep things minimal, it's important to infuse your personality into the space. Choose decor items that resonate with you and bring you joy. This could be framed photos, artwork, or even travel souvenirs. One clever idea is to create a gallery wall using a mix of frames and artwork. This can serve as a focal point and bring character to your room without taking up any floor space. Just be sure to arrange the pieces in a way that feels balanced and cohesive. You might also want to consider the use of textiles in your decor. Incorporate cushions and throws in complementary colors and textures to create a cozy atmosphere. Not only do they add comfort, but they can also serve as stylish accents in your room. A few well-placed cushions on your bed or a soft throw on your chair can make a huge difference. Now that we've covered all these design tips, let's take a moment to reflect on our transformation journey. Think about how a small bedroom can be turned into a chic, stylish haven that feels open and inviting. To recap, we've discussed the importance of decluttering and choosing the right color palette to create a sense of space. We've looked at smart furniture choices and the benefits of multifunctional pieces. We've also highlighted the significance of lighting, textiles, and storage solutions that maximize functionality without compromising on style. We've shared tips on embracing minimalism and infusing personal touches that make your space feel uniquely yours. With these insights, you're well on your way to designing the small bedroom of your dreams. As we wrap up today's video, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tips in your own space? Or do you have other clever hacks for small bedroom makeovers? Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. We have plenty more design inspiration and practical tips coming your way, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, small spaces can hold big dreams. With a bit of creativity and the right approach, you can transform any small bedroom into a stylish, functional retreat. Until next time, happy decorating. Before we go, let me give you a few more quick tips. Consider rotating your decor seasonally. By changing up a few key pieces, like cushions or throws, you can refresh the look of your room without a complete overhaul. And always keep in mind that small changes can have a big impact. Lastly, always take your time to enjoy the process. Designing your space should be fun and reflect your personal style. And speaking of personal style, consider documenting your progress. Take before and after photos to see how far you've come. Not only will this give you a sense of accomplishment, but it can also inspire others who may be looking to tackle their own small bedroom makeovers.